What's up, everyone? Today's episode is going to be about some of my personal projects, so stay tuned. Alright, so I've got a lot of personal projects going on. I've got quite a few, actually. I stay very busy working on race cars in the shop, so I don't have a lot of time to work on my own stuff, but I do want to make a video about some of my personal projects. Here's a few of them. Here's one of my projects. This actually is my daily driver, and I want to pull the cab and the bed off, do a frame off restoration, change the color. I'd like to do the new interior because the dash is all cracked up. Obviously a new windshield. It's got some issues on the roof here. It's one of my projects I would like to do. Not a lot of rust. There is a little bit of rust in it, but let me know what you think if I should make a video about this one first. Now, I'm going to make videos about all of them, but I would like to know what order you guys would like to see them in. So this would be option 1. All right, option 2 is this 1990 model Mustang GT. I bought this car brand new in 1990, and it has a soft spot in my heart. I grew up terrorizing the streets in this car. Now, it is far from stock now. It's tubbed with a cage, a big motor. The project is to get it running again, and what that would consist of, I bought a new Holley Dominator EFI system that I want to install and wire it all up. So that would be project number 2. So this is project number 3. This is a Coke machine. It's a 6-cent Coke machine. I think it's the same as the 5-cent machine, but it has a little extra penny piece that takes another penny. So I could make this a 5-cent machine or keep it a 6-cent machine. And I know which one my wife is going to vote for, because this project is, I've been promising her this for many years. So it's just hard to get to your own stuff working on these race cars all the time. So this is project number 3. Let me go to project number 4. I'll show you what I got. All right, so this is project number 4. This is a 1973 Ford Bronco. This is not the car, but it's very similar to the car that I learned to drive a manual transmission in when I was like 12 years old. So this car is all original. It has 90,000 original miles on it. It is a 302 with a automatic transmission. I want to restore this. This would be project number 4. This is project number 5. This is another Fox body. It's a 1990 model coupe. I want to do a complete all-over paint job and make this car really nice again. All right, so this is project number 6. This is a 1967 Chevy II Nova. The project on this would consist of basically a restoration of the complete car. Might even put an LS in it, I'm not sure, but definitely make the car really nice. All right, so project number 7, this is a 70 model Chevelle. And what this would consist of, the car is in really good shape. Doesn't need much. But we did buy some Stainless Works exhaust, complete exhaust, from headers all the way back to the tailpipes. So we've got that to put on, and that would be at project number 7. So let me know what you guys think. Pearls of wisdom from an old dirty body man.
Race car backwards is race car. Race car upside down is expensive.
All right, so 7 projects. It's probably too many, but they've kind of accumulated over time. And like I said, with the race car shop jobs, they take priority over my own personal cars, and the projects kind of get put on the back burner. So you guys can leave a comment and steer me in the right direction, which video you would like to see first, which project you would like to see started and maybe even completed first. You guys will help motivate me to get some of my personal projects done. Now, that being said, I want to thank all of you who's watching this video, who have subscribed, because I just hit 200 subscribers. Still a long ways from 1,000, but 200 is a pretty big milestone for me. Awesome. Thank you very much for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed and you like my content, please subscribe, like, share, comment, all of those good things. And we'll see you guys on the next video. See ya. I want to make a video, make a short video. Video? Words are hard. Can't talk.